Okay, today we're just going to do a very simple mini project, and this is how to scramble words and to scramble sentences. So first, what we're going to do is we're going to create a function called scramble message. So there we go, scramble message, that's the function. We create a variable called message and we assign that to input, and we tell the user what we want them to input. So basically enter a message. Then we create another variable called scrambled and we assign that. But first, before we do that, we have to import the random function, because we're going to be using the random function on this, so that's very important. So then we do .join here, and then we use the random module, which is random.sample. Then we insert in the variable, which is message. And then we do the len, which is length of message. And then we insert the variable message in again. Okay, now all we have to do is print out the scrambled message. So simply the print command and scrambled. So next we've got to call the program, and we do that with scrambled message, or scramble message it's called. I have to spell it properly though this time, I misspelled that there. Okay, so that's going to be scrambled. Whoops, can't spell tonight, can I? So let's go back and do that again. Okay, so that's going to be scramble message. Okay, all we have to do is save it, and now just simply run it. And we'll just expand it a little bit there, and we'll just make the text a little bit bigger, and we type in our message. This is a message. All we have to do is hit enter, and you can see it's scrambled it. So there you go, folks. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and remember, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit the subscription button below and give it a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you